Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for JEE. First, focus on building a rock-solid foundation. This means truly understanding every concept, not just rote memorization. Dedicate about 60% of your initial study time to grasping the basics. Keep a separate notebook for all key formulas and theorems. This will be your quick reference guide. A strong base makes tackling complex problems much easier later on. Next, engage in strategic problem solving. Begin with easier problems to build confidence, then gradually move to more challenging ones. Aim to solve a minimum of 100 problems for each chapter to ensure thorough understanding. After attempting problems, always review your solutions, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding your mistakes is crucial for growth and prevents repeating them in the actual examination. Effective revision and mock tests are your next steps. Schedule regular revision sessions for all topics you have covered. This helps solidify your knowledge and recall. Crucially, take full-length mock tests frequently, simulating the actual exam conditions. After each test, spend at least 2 hours analyzing your performance. Identify your weak areas and work on improving your speed and accuracy for the final examination. Finally, let's discuss avoiding common pitfalls. Do not shy away from challenging topics. Tackle them head-on and seek clarification from teachers or peers. Resist the urge to immediately look at solutions. Always attempt problems independently first. This builds genuine problem-solving skills. Remember, consistency and a positive attitude are key. Believe in your hard work, and you will achieve your desired results in the JEE Mathematics section.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.